Alright, so till now we have discussed if statement and nested if statement. In both of them we have taken one condition at a time, but now we are talking about a condition where we want to say if any of these condition meets, get us this value. So let's do it. I would say if or. So what I really want to do, is that I have a lot of multiple membership card options available here. So your company may have issued a lot of different types of cards like bronze, blue, platinum, silver, gold, but you want to classify them, all of them, into only two categories. Number one is normal category and the other one is priority, and you only want platinum and golden cards to be represented as priority. All other cards should fall into a normal category. So what we will do here is that I would say if or logical one. So logical one basically is if this value equals, now as I have to write the text, I have to write it in inverted commas. I would say if this value equals bronze, or logical 2, or this value equals, I would say blue, or this value equals white. I have to write in inverted commas, and or if this value equals silver. So I have basically mentioned that if any of these conditions meet, if A2 equals bronze, if any of them, so or actually represents any of them. So A2 equals bronze, or A2 equals blue, or white, or silver. If any of these conditions meet, I would say, I will close the bracket now. So I will say please get us as normal and comma, and then value if false is basically priority. So let's press Ctrl Enter, and here we have this value as normal. So if I can just copy paste it downwards, you will see what is happening here. So you can see here that where the card is platinum, it has given us priority. In all other cases, it is showing me as normal instead golden. So in case of golden, it is giving me the priority, and in case of platinum, it is giving me the priority. In all other cases, it is appearing as normal. So that is how it should be. Now, by the way, if we had just thought at the beginning that what we are trying to do, we could have, reduced the length of our arguments. So what I'm trying to say, that to get the normal value, we have to get 4 conditions like bronze or blue or silver or white, and to get the priority, we only had to give 2 conditions, platinum and golden. So let us do it that way. I would say if or this value equals golden, or this value equals platinum. Only these 2 arguments, and close the brackets. And now value if true should be priority, and value if false should be, I would say, normal. And close the bracket and Control Enter, and here we have the value as normal. This is the bronze card, and I just copy and paste to all the cells below, and you can see that if the card is platinum, it is returning us as priority, and if the card is golden, it is giving us the priority. In all other cases, it is representing us as normal. So you may be thinking that we could simply use the VLOOKUP to get these values here. Well, if you are thinking that, you are absolutely right, and that is what most people will be doing there. But well, there we have a even better way of writing it, finding the same data here. So anyways, you can get to the same values by looking VLOOKUP from this data here as well. But I would say let's move to the if or, as this is more sophisticated method and it can be used even if we don't have such charts available. So I hope that is clear.